Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on IOTA coin. IOTA is still testing this long-term support of the triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze are we going to break it down or we can expect a reversal move from here. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this weekly time frame. And here we can observe that the price line is again testing the support. And when I shared my last analysis with you, even at that time, we were at this support. And we had a reversal, but again, rejection. After this rejection, we are again at the support of the triangle. And you can see that the movement of the triangle is right now very squeezed. And this is a make or break time for IOTA to break it out or break down the support or resistance of this triangle. And on this weekly time frame, if we also take a look at the stochastic oscillator on this weekly time frame, then we can see that it has entered the oversold zone. So far, this blue line has touched the oversold zone. This orange line is following the blue line, and soon it can also touch the oversold zone again. Previously, when we had these both lines touched in the oversold zone, and this blue line crossed back above this orange line, that was the bull cross or buying signal by the stochastic oscillator. Then we had a short rally, and the price line again rejected by this resistance. So once we will have another bull cross or buying signal by the stochastic from the oversold zone, like we had here, and even like we had here as well, then we can expect another reversal and another attempt for the breakout as well. But the movement is very critical right now because the price line is heavily testing the support of the triangle. Now from here, if we switch to the daily time frame, then here we can also observe that the price line is moving in a certain price range. For example, here we have the resistance approximately at $1.55, and we also have a support of $1 here, and the price line is moving. It has formed a parallel channel and moving between this $1.55 to $1 resistance and support, and now it is going to test this $1 support level. So far, IOTA did not touch the $1 support level. However, it is possible that it will touch here, because if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then we have some more capacity to move more down. You can see there is some space between the RSI oscillator and this oversold zone that starts from 30 value. And last time RSI entered the oversold zone, just touched the oversold zone here in July 2021, and after that we had a very powerful move. So it is also possible that we will have some sideways move for 1 or 2 days, and RSI will touch the oversold zone. Then we will have another reversal. However, this is really very important movement because we are going to test $1 support level. At the same time, we are also testing this very big triangle, the support of the very big triangle on the weekly time frame. And the week is going to be ended soon. So if we will have a closing on the weekly time frame below the support of the triangle, then it can move more down. However, we should be looking at this daily closing at $1, above $1 or below $1 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.